In this session, I tell any communicating entities that they must give their name when communicating, and I receive the response, "Bruce, this is George Meek. You have to look at sound." George Meek was a pioneer in early ITC EVP research. He was the founder of Metascience and involved in the Spiricom experiments. I have received communication from George Meek on several occasions. This communication tells me to pay attention to sound. I will follow up with Mr. Meek in future sessions. This was an excellent example of actual live spirit ghost box communication.
If you're there and you want to communicate with me today, you have to tell me your name.